Let's hope I survive. The lady who runs the Minshuku, thankfully, she has a friend who has a van or big vehicle that can fit the bikes as long as we take off the wheels. We don't have to take the frames apart, thankfully. And he's gonna take us to the next town where we were supposed to have lunch, but we're not even there. But it's kind of a good thing because it's really not letting up.
And I hope you enjoy.
I hope so.
Puckered lips, pucker up, make it stick. In a Buick, in a lake, young and
Kind of rain. There was so much water on the ground, and riding loaded would have been very dangerous. So I think this was a good idea. It does shorten our ride significantly today. I'm not gonna lie, I am mildly disappointed that I'm not gonna get a Grand Fondo today, but we'll make up for it later. I'm pretty sure we'll have at least one crazy ass long ride.
There it is. So, Aki Station. We're now going to find something to eat and get out of the rain.
you don't know.
Hawaiian, or there's margarita?
Margarita.
Okay. Burdock and cheese, it's got my name on it. Oh, it's burdock. We got here at an in-between time when a lot of places aren't serving lunch anymore. And the solution is a cafe bakery. Are we ready? Good cafe.
Hard to love.
We are somewhere between Aki and Kochi. We've got about 40 km.
With a memory like a drug.
This part of the bike lane actually hugs the coast. The main road is on that side, but we get a nice view and not so many climbs, thankfully. Just very gentle for now, at least. We gotta take a bit of a detour back onto the road because erosion.
With a memory like a drug. Hard to love.
Stopped raining finally, but we're approaching Kochi city, which is a pretty busy area. As you can see, there's a lot of traffic. This is probably the evening rush hour, and there's not much space on the road, so we've switched to the sidewalk. It's slow going, but we'll get there. But the good news is it has stopped raining.
I'm so in. 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 I'm so in.
Alright.
Touchdown at Katsuo guesthouse. We're finally here. We wanted to go to was closed, we didn't make it, and the next best option was Domino's. At home, like, we never get salmon. We're gonna be okay with it, and we're gonna make up for it tomorrow.